Good morning, good morning. I just want to bring you in and show you this rice from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love this rice. And I make it exactly as the box indicates. The only difference is I add, instead of water, I do vegetable broth on mine to give it extra flavor. Just follow the directions on the box and you should be fine. Right now, it's just browning it up so that you have that pilaf kind of look where you have some bits that are dark brown. So you keep doing this to it. It's at this point that I add my seasoning mix. Whoops. I'm in both hands here. And my broth. Let me add it now before it burns on me. And then, oh, there we go. Got it all in. And see, that's what you're looking for. That nice brown, nutty color. At this point, you lower your heat. See, it's almost dry. You get some paper towel, you put it on top. This absorbs the extra steam so your rice doesn't come out soggy. And then for mine, I put it there and that's it, and I forget about it. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. For my salad, I'm using the Trader Joe's already cooked lentils, and what I do is I'm only going to use half of this because it's too much. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to strain some of it to get some of the sauce and all that off of it. And I'll bring you back in a minute and show you how I do that. As you can see, I kind of broke it up gently because I don't want to, I don't want to mash it. But I do want some of the dark to be gone. You see this is just the other half. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water and rinse it just once and then strain it really well. As you can see, I've already, see that? I just want to get some of that off. Now I'm going to strain our rice, our pilos, rice orzo, pilo, whatever, pilaf rice. And you can see it's ready. It's done. All I'm going to do is fluff it up like this. And that's what you're looking for. See how grainy it is? It's not, that's what you want. So this is done. I'm going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool off. Now we're ready to make our dressing for this salad. What I have here is a half a cup of olive oil, 2 lemons, 4 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized shallot, and some cilantro. Dijon mustard, I'm not sure if I'm going to add this, but I'm just putting it out there. A little bit of salt to taste and pepper. I may add some of this, but I'm not sure. You can leave these 2 out. You really don't have to add the mustard or this. This is fine with a little bit of salt. So I'm getting ready to incorporate everything into this jar. And I like to do this ahead so I could start infusing the flavors and infuse in the oil before I add it to my salad. As you can see, I added more olive oil. I wanted to also mention how much you add of each of these ingredients is totally dependent upon your taste buds. Okay, I added more olive oil because I just felt I needed more because I added a lot of garlic, 4 cloves, big cloves. Now I'm gonna add my lemon juice, like so. And I'm just gonna, I don't believe I'm going to add the mustard or the green goddess seasoning. I'm just going to leave it like this. And I'm going to allow this to sit until I'm ready to put my salad together. But my salad dressing is done. Cut my cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to show you how I take the seeds out and try and get rid of some of the moisture, because I don't want my salad to be soggy. So all I do is add cold water, and I do this. And this helps remove all the seeds. I do this a couple of times and then I strain it. Okay, so you see how it separated the seeds? All I'm going to do is transfer the tomatoes onto a paper towel on my board. Not this paper towel, a clean one. And allow the tomato to really, to drain a lot of the water before I add it to my salad. So it is time to assemble our salad. I have combined the lentils with the rice orzo pilaf rice mix, And I will say that next time I make this, I am not going to strain like I did the lentils, because then they get too watery. So I had to put them on paper towel and let them drain some more so that the salad wouldn't become soggy. Next time I do this salad, however, I am going to make my lentils from scratch. I think that's a better choice. So I have my, as I showed you, my, what do you call it? My tomatoes all chopped and ready. I strained them. Here they go. And I also did English cucumber. I took the middle, the seeds off, because they let out a lot of moisture, a lot of juice. And then I placed it on a strainer with a little bit of salt and let these hang out so they can sweat some of the juice out, so that my salad doesn't become soggy, as I said before. So in it goes. Now I will say you can add avocado to this salad, but I would add it when you get ready to serve it, because you know how avocado gets really gnarly looking. So all I'm going to do is that I have here some chopped green onions, which I'm going to add as well, like this. And then all I'm going to do is mix everything together and add my my dressing. But I think I'll add my dressing at the end. I don't want to add it now. I'm kind of afraid. But it is really a really, really good salad. You can eat the salad cold or hot. Up to you. I'm going to accompany this with some grilled salmon. Is how we're going to eat it at my house. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my salad dressing so it can absorb some of the flavors. But that is it, you guys. That's all there is to it. It's a really nice, refreshing salad. And next time, if you wanted to make it and leave the rice out, you could do that and just do the orzo little noodles that look like rice. Make them ahead of time. Put them in the fridge with a little bit of oil so they don't get sticky, and then add them to your lentil salad. And that would be also really nice. You can also add feta cheese and things of that nature. I don't add that because I cannot eat dairy. So that's why I'm making mine the way that I have made it. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.